What's up, man? Your boy done got him a night vision scope, man. Oh, yeah. It's by ATN Excite 4K Pro. You know what I'm saying? Boy, I've been wanting one, but hey, look. Look at the box, man. Look at the box. Thing look like a HD TV screen, dog. Oh, it said Ultra HD sensor. Oh, man. 1080 pixel recording. 120 foot per second smart HD optic. Man, this thing, hey, sweet, man. I've been wanting one. Let's get to it, man. This is 3x14, man. This 3x14 night vision scope, man. Great budget optic, man. It came with a bag itself to put it in, to place it in, man. Got your charging cord. I guess that's right there for if the battery get low. Came with your scope rings. They did package them up real well. This right here look like a real scope ring. Seems like it made out pretty decent quality. Let's see what this one looking like. Right here more on the front one. And this one right here seems like a forward scope ring. And it does come with the Picatinny rail on the side to mount the flashlight, man. Let's see what this flashlight kicking like, man. Come with all the Allen keys to install it. Got your flashlight. Oh, man. Get this back in here. Came with 2 batteries. Look like CR123As. It's your infrared flashlight, man. Got your off on switch, high, low, medium. So, I mean, it seems like it's pretty decent, man. And the flash and the light itself is the IR light itself is adjustable for the width. So, man, it seems like it's pretty good. Came with a sunshade, which I do really like, because the property that I hunt on does have, well, I will be shooting into the light a little bit. So if I go out in the daytime, I will be shooting into the sun. Come with this eyepiece. Boy, that thing like a plunger. Yep, that right there gonna keep the light out. Lens cleaner. And your paperwork. Thing got a little weight to it, man. But it seems like it's pretty, hey. Oh yeah. It's your magnification knob right here. Focus to a distance right
boy,
here.
That's called a parallax, boy.
Got your power on button. Got your select button. Camera or video. And I think these buttons as well adjust through the menu as well. It's a one-shot zero. You got your focus knob in the back, which is, it's got pretty stiff to it. It's up here, it's kind of stiff too. It does come with a throw lever on it too.
From 50 to infinity, yeah, baby.
That'll work in your favor. See how this sunshade screws on. Oh yeah, it screws on real well. Back. I don't know if I'm gonna run this because that joint right there, I don't know about this. It don't even want to go on there.
Got my scope looking like a plunger, man. Mess around, suck your eyeball out.
Boy, no. No, I ain't gonna run that. See? No, I don't like that. I don't like that. Take this off. Don't like it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's got your different color reticles in here too. You can go green, blue, orange, yellow. I done looked into it, as y'all can tell. But got a little time that you can
Look at the right hand corner. I'm gonna show you what it look like on the inside.
So, man, I'm gonna get this thing installed on a rifle, man, and I'm gonna let y'all check it out, man. Hey, stay tuned for that video when I put it on that rifle. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some nighttime shot. For sure I'm gonna do that. Your boy going night. Dear me, it going nocturnal, man. Hey. Oh yeah.
There's a predator.
Dear me,
Boy, I'm gonna put them teeth on him. Like, subscribe, follow. Dear me, show. Yo.